Welcome to another video in the data migration playlist. So far in this playlist, I have explained and demonstrated on the data migration cockpit on SAP S4HANA 2022 how to migrate the different master data objects. I have also explained the concept of migrating the GL account balances and line items, and in the last video I explained the concept of how to migrate open purchase orders, open sales orders, and inventory balances. In the video today, as promised, I'm going to demonstrate on SAP S4HANA 2022 how to use the data migration cockpit to migrate open purchase orders. And remember that, as explained in the last video, by open purchase orders, I mean orders that have quantities that are not invoiced or received. These are the quantities that we are going to migrate today. Here I have my SAP Fiori interface, and I will start by going to the same application we use every time, Migrate Your Data Migration Cockpit. And I will open the same project we use every time, migration demo of AG00. And then let's look for open purchase orders. We don't have it here, so we need to add it first. In order to do this, we can go to settings, edit, and then look here in the objects for purchase orders. Only purchase order, only open PO. Use the project, and then save. Now the object has been added to the project, but it is not ready for processing yet. We have to wait for a while until it's ready. So here we have ready for processing. If you go down, at the end we have not ready for processing purchase orders. So now we have to wait until this is ready. Now the migration object is ready and we can start using it. Before we do, let's check the predecessor objects. So if you click here, we have two predecessors, the product and supplier, and I have already demonstrated both of these in the playlist, so we are good to go. Now the first step is to download the template. So download template. Here is our upload template, which is similar to all the other upload templates we used for data migration cockpit. First we have an introduction explaining how to use the template. Then we have the field list showing all the fields available in the workbook in the different sheets. So here you have the sheet name, so header data, header address, and so on, and under each sheet what are the available fields. So this way you can find the fields that you want to fill, and then any sheet that's mandatory is highlighted in orange, any sheet that's not mandatory is highlighted in blue. Now let's start with the first one, header data, and these are the header details of the purchase order. In order to understand these quickly, let's look into the SAP GUI and see how we can create a purchase order before we proceed. So here